Hi, I am Burak.
Hi, I'm Elif.
With this short video, we will examine the impacts of racial inequality in the United States on urban life. First of all, we should point out that although inequality is thought to decrease over time, 51% of many people still think that there is inequality between races.
Owning or renting houses in America is an important source of income for the states. But the policies implemented forced non-whites to leave their homes. For example, created the public space known today as Central Park to destroy black community in Manhattan. Inequality in income and welfare level also affects the possibility of housing. Only 41% of black households own their homes, compared to white households. It can take up to 200 years for a black to acquire as much wealth as a white. Today, people of different races are discriminated against in the housing markets. One study showed that homes in black neighborhoods were undervalued, on average, at $1,500 due to racism.
We can see the place of racial segregation in city life. According to the research, some city centers in America, it is seen that white people exist in the working environment during the day, while the Afro-American increase at night. Thus, we can talk about how racial inequality affects visibility in the city. These differences show its existence even in the maps made in the cities. It seems that the less preferred and the most discouraged places to invest are those where Afro-Americans are the majority. Racial segregation in urban areas is reflected in connection with the economy. For Isaac Ferguson, universally designing for everyone can create homogeneous, soulless places that have all people in mind but have meaning or use for no one. We saw how the economic situation and life in the city were affected by racial differences. However, this situation can occur even with the standards of living in a healthy environment for children. While it seems that the interaction of Afro-American children is high in poor neighborhoods, this rate decreases as the economic level increases. Afro-American children don't take advantage of neighborhood opportunities. This is a political and conceptual problem.
Riots against racism began in the early 1870s and continued between blacks and whites until the 1920s. Many black neighborhoods burning. Riots after the 1920s increased with restriction of the economic freedoms on the blacks and the policies made. Politics has been at the forefront of racial neighborhood exclusions and racial restrictive rhetoric. In this case, isolated neighborhoods began to form. After the 1960s, the uprising, especially in metropolitan areas, emerged as a reflection of what has been done from the past to the present, and they are merging with new agendas.